In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Bookmap. Keeping your platform current ensures you get the latest features, fixes, and performance improvements, and the process is quick, whether you update inside the app or download the newest version from the official site. First, let's look at updating directly in the app. Start by opening the Bookmap application. At the top panel, click Help. In the drop-down menu, hover over Update, then select Check for Updates. Bookmap will automatically scan for the newest version available for your system and show you what you can install. From here, simply follow the prompts to apply the update. If you prefer to switch tracks, you can also change from production to beta right from this menu. Production prioritizes stability, while beta lets you try the latest features earlier, which can be useful for testing, but may change more often. Within the update options, you'll also see choices such as newest builds, medium stability new builds, and most stable new builds. Pick the track that matches how cautious or adventurous you want to be. Newest for cutting-edge changes, medium for a balanced approach, and most stable when you want maximum reliability. Let the updater finish, and Bookmap will take care of the rest. Most updates take only a few minutes and may prompt you to restart Bookmap, so it's smart to schedule this between trading sessions to avoid interruptions. Now, if you'd rather start fresh, or you don't see the in-app prompt, you can download the newest version from Bookmap's official website. Grab the latest installer for your operating system, run the newly downloaded file, and follow the standard installation steps. In some cases, this route is also handy when you're setting up a new computer or if a strict network blocks the in-app checker. When the process completes, open the Bookmap application. It should launch with the new version automatically, no extra configuration required. You'll notice the interface includes the latest changes and improvements. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Some services, like CloudNote or certain add-on data services, may update on their own schedules in the background, so those pieces can change independently of the main app. If you rely on a custom setup, always back up important settings or workspace files before updating, just in case you want to roll back your layout or reuse your preferences after the upgrade. That's it. Choose the in-app update for the fastest path, or grab the latest installer if you prefer a clean download. Either way, you'll be up to date and ready to take advantage of the newest improvements in Bookmap.